Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a clean cloth, and a suitable lubricant such as machine oil or silicone spray. These tools are essential for a proper lubrication process. Start by unplugging your Silvercrest SKMC 1200 to ensure safety. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the side panel of the motor. Set the screws aside in a safe place to avoid losing them. Carefully lift off the panel to expose the internal components. Next, inspect the motor for any signs of dust or debris. It's important to clean this area before applying lubricant. Use the clean cloth to wipe down the surfaces. Make sure to get into any crevices where dirt may accumulate. This step is crucial, as a clean motor allows for better lubrication and efficiency. Now, locate the moving parts of the motor, such as the bearings and gears. These are the areas where lubrication is most needed. Apply a small amount of lubricant to these components. Remember, less is more. You don't want to over-lubricate, as this can attract more dust and create a mess. If you're unsure about which lubricant to use, consider seeking a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can provide insights tailored to your specific motor needs. Once you've applied the lubricant, take a moment to check the screws and components for any wear and tear. If you notice any damaged parts, it's wise to address these issues before reassembling the motor. You can always reach out for a quote before repair to understand any potential costs involved. After lubricating the necessary parts, it's time to reassemble the motor. Carefully place the side panel back on and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Ensure that everything is tightened properly to avoid any vibrations during operation. Finally, plug the motor back in and turn it on. Listen for any unusual noises that could indicate a problem. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making maintenance easy and hassle-free. With our service, you won't have to worry about calls or travel, allowing you to focus on what matters most. In summary, lubricating your Silvercrest SKMC 1200 motor is a straightforward process when you have the right tools and knowledge. Regular maintenance not only extends the life of your motor but also enhances its performance significantly. Follow these steps, and you'll keep your motor operating smoothly for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.